Hi everybody and welcome to a session on Sunday from the Sunshine Coast. This week we're bringing you a beautiful song by Ian Tyson, although it was Neil's young version that was probably the best known. This one's called Four Strong Winds and it goes a bit like this. Guess I'll go out to Alberta, weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I could be working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times or more. Strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. And if the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow falls, and if things are going good, you could meet me if I send you down the fair. But by then it would be winter, not too much for you to do. And those winds sure can blow cold way out there. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. See you all next week.